contribute. There is a lot on GitHub. Please join, either fork the project or contribute to one of the existing projects. You can become an ambassador if you're traveling a lot and go to places that we don't go. Please talk to us. We can give you a bunch of probes, and you can give it to people who will connect them. Because that's one of the other issues. Sometimes we give out these probes, and then people do not connect them. It's a community project, so please be helpful, and also if you're distributing, please make sure you give it to people who will connect them, or if you're getting them, please make sure you keep them connected. I was looking at Azerbaijan, and we have distributed 8 probes in this country, and right now 3 of them are connected. So at some point all the 8 were connected, but from 6 months ago till now 5 of them has been disconnected. And it happens, we know that as a fact. So sometimes people move, they don't reconnect the device, sometimes something goes wrong with the device, they don't let us know or don't bother to replace, which is fine, but we really like, if you're participating, please make sure that you're helping the whole community. And this will also give good results for you, as I mentioned before. And finally, if you have access to resources, please support us financially. I mean, the RIPE community have been kind enough, including you, basically, to support this project to start from zero, basically. But now we are at a point that we really want to decrease that burden on the RIPE members and bring it to the wider community, because really the wide community, internet community, is using it. And basically last year we have received support from these organizations, and I hope, if you can and have means, please support the project. My last slide is about the process for adding features and deciding what to do. Basically, it's not as formal as Marco mentioned in the PDP process in the morning. So we don't follow the PDP process, but basically it's done in the same manner in the community. So there is the measurement and testing working group in RIPE, which people normally bring up requests, and sometimes in the Atlas mailing list if it's a smaller request. And there is the community consensus process. So if we see, and if it's a big decision, we ask the chairs to make sure that they see consensus. If not, we just tell people that we have added this feature request to the roadmap that I explained before. And we will work on the projects. But the whole project is open. Some of the examples is HTTP measurements. There are 2 options: to do HTTP measurements or not do an HTTP measurement, and people have different opinions. It's basically, we let the community to discuss that, and this is an open discussion right now. So please participate. If you have ideas or if you have requirements for the system, please participate in the discussion. And that's how you can contact us. And I'm here also for the social, so you can find me. If you want to get probes and participate, if you can connect them, please get them. They are giving them at the desk outside, and even if not, you can always, there is a form online on the URL atlas.ripe.net, which is here. You can apply and you will receive your probe. In Baku, as I said, we have 3 in Azerbaijan. All the 3 are in Baku. So if you're living or have access to connection somewhere else, please get a probe and install it either in Baku or even better somewhere outside Baku. Thank you very much. So if you have any questions.
Пожалуйста, вопросы? Неужто никто не заинтересовался? Или все знают про RIPE Atlas? Скажите, пожалуйста, а кто-нибудь